but don't worry, I still remember it. He has 5 professions. The first, he told to me, he are a leader of highness in Darul Ulum Foundation. Before Tuesday before he coming here. But he said he told to me before he going here, he's going here. He told to his wife to arranging all of his ability. And then the second of his profession is he is a leader. He's the leader of Islamic Student Foundation from Luxembourg, Lapa. About that, he don't tell me anything. He just told me about his position. And the third, his position is he is a vice.
Profession.
A vice of Islamic student. The vice of Islamic student and young man in Kampung
Matang.
Matang. And the fourth,
Matang Baru, my village.
I'm sorry. Forget. And the fourth, his profession is leader. Oh, not leader, a teacher. I'm sorry. It's not my profession. Leader in his leader and Arabic leaders, teachers, and classical teachers. And then he told me after this, after he go to finish, he want to be English teacher too, because he will have much knowledge about English, and he will share his knowledge about English to his students. And the last, he told me he is a worker or employee in cafeteria of Islamic Foundation, so that although he have many professions, he told me he don't have much money because he do it all because of Allah. So although he don't get salary, he still do his profession, and he hope and this day and tomorrow or in the future he will get a profit from Allah. Okay, that's all that he told to me, and that's all from me. Forgive me for my mistake. Please correct my mistake too. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.